everything you should know about dengue. Now, what is dengue? Dengue fever, commonly known as breakbone fever, is like a flu like illness caused by the dengue virus. It is caused when an Aedes mosquito carrying the virus bites a healthy person. This disease is mainly found in a tropical and subtropical regions of the world. According to WHO, an estimate 500,000 people require hospitalization each year. Most cases occur in tropical areas of the world, with the population in the Indian subcontinent, South Asia, Mexico, Africa, parts of Central and South America most susceptible to this disease. As per the data released by the Directorate of National Vector Borne Disease Control Program NVBDCP, there have been 67,000 cases of dengue fever as on 13th October 2019 in India. Causes of dengue. Now, what are the causes? Dengue is caused due to four viruses, namely DENV1, DENV2, DENV3, DENV4. The virus enters a mosquito when it bites an already infected person, and the illness is spread when it bites a healthy person, and the virus spreads through the person's bloodstream. Once a person recovers, he is immune to the specific virus and not the other three types. The probability of developing several severe dengue fever, also known as dengue hemorrhagic fever, increases if you are infected a second, third, or fourth time. Symptoms. Usually, symptoms of dengue feel like an uncomplicated fever and not easily identifiable in teens and children. Dengue fever causes a fever of 104 degree Fahrenheit degrees along with at least two of these symptoms: headache, muscle, bone and joint pain, nausea, vomiting, pain behind the eyes, swollen glands, rashes. There are three types of fever a person is prone to, namely mild dengue fever, dengue hemorrhagic fever, and dengue shock syndrome. Mild dengue fever symptoms are seen after a week from the bite and include several and fatal complications. Dengue hemorrhagic fever symptoms are mild but can gradually worsen within a few days. Dengue shock syndrome, this is a severe form of dengue and can even cause death. Now, what is the treatment? Dengue treatment. There is no specific treatment of dengue fever or cure, as dengue is a virus. Timely intervention can help depending on how severe the disease is. Here are a few basic treatments of dengue fever. Medication. Painkillers like Tylenol or paracetamol are generally prescribed to the patients. IV dips are sometimes supplemented in case of severe dehydration. So stay hydrated. This is a crucial as most of our body fluids are lost during vomiting and high fever. Continuous intake of fluids will make sure that the body does not easily dehydrate. Hygiene is the utmost importance, even more so because when you are not well, the patient can opt for a sponge bath if not a regular bath, and a few drops of a disinfectant liquid like Dettol to the water being used for bathing. It is also advisable to sanitize your hand with a hand sanitizer like Dettol before and after visiting the patient in the hospital. Disinfect the water used to wash the patient's clothes with Dettol to rid of the clothes of germs. Dengue prevention. Researchers are still working or finding a specific cure for dengue fever. Dengue fever treatment involves the use of painkillers with acetaminophen. Additionally, your doctor will recommend you to drink plenty of fluids and take rest. The best way is prevention. Following are some of the actions you can take to keep yourself safe from the virus. Lesser skin exposure. Try wearing long pants and shirts to cover your skin surfaces and reducing the chances of bites. Mosquitoes are highly active early in the morning or evening, so try avoiding venturing out in those times. Mosquito repellent, a repellent with at least 10% of concentration of diethylvolinide DEET, a higher concentration is needed for longer exposures. You can apply the ointment daily to keep mosquitoes away. Personal hygiene. When you are infected with any virus, you are extra sensitive to other illnesses. Use a hand sanitizer like Dettol liquid, hand wash with Axe to keep the germs at bay. The liquid soap will protect you against many illnesses causing germs. Disinfect stagnant water. The Aedes mosquito breeds in clean and stagnant water. Keep water covered at all times and use proper disinfectant if necessary. Turn over any vessels which can accumulate water and scrub the surfaces thoroughly so that reduces the chances of developing a breeding ground for the mosquitoes. These are some of the things boost these are some of the points which you should keep in mind. So I'll stop here at this point. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiter signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.